Over at Kai Pre and Postpartum Center, we are a one-stop solution to bring both father and mother into the new parenthood journey. We have 4 kids, and to bring up these 4 kids have been up and downs. We know what has been good for us. We also identify what is not so ideal. And with this, we recognize that there is a need to share some of this experience to make this journey as beautiful as possible. With the Exit Solutions, there are a couple of things that is shockingly impressive. Over at Kai, one of the very important recovery program is for the mothers to rest. The first 2 weeks, we will try to keep the baby in our nursery as long as possible, as often as possible. When you share this idea with a lot of mothers will just look at you and say, that's not possible. However, with this system, the mother will be able to access to the image of the babies, even the baby is not with the mother. So that allows the mother to rest, and that allows us to achieve what we want to achieve for the recovery program. Our customer profile is very mixed. Some have relatives overseas and so on. The ability to allow them to access to see their baby is just emotionally crazy. We have more than 50 cameras in the whole facility, and the different cameras serve different purposes. So in terms of functionality of the cameras, it has to be very robust, it has to be very diversified, and it has to cater to the different needs at this very high level of hospitality experience. We are constantly using the camera to enhance the experience. When you need to recall something has been recorded, you want it to be as usable as much as possible. The image quality has been exceptionally good because in our nature of business, we need to look at the small little details that allow us to have a very robust and consistent guest experience. We also want to track trends. So with the trends, we try to study workloads. With that, we are able to deploy resources at the right time, therefore giving us more efficiency. With the expansion of the team, it is almost impossible for us to get everybody to be on site at one time. So with this camera, it allows us to do off-site training. We are also able to outsource some of these security functions so that while we maintain the facility to be safe, we have some cost benefit. The 360 camera, in our opinion, is quite impressive. Initially, when we will introduce the camera, we were thinking the usual 360 camera is quite difficult to actually establish what you want to look for. However, with the system, it is like any other camera except the fact that you can actually look around 360 degrees. That to us is quite impressive. We get a lot of satisfaction, not just myself but also the team, when we are able to share small little details that actually enhance the couple's experience in a big way. During the selection process, we have no relationship with Axis. We have had relationship with Canon, and our relationship has been very positive. When Canon introduced Axis, we trusted Canon that they found us a good partner. And now with everything set up, we are certain that this is a new partnership that is going to go with us a long way.